In the icy wilderness of the Arctic Ocean lies Wrangel Island, a place seemingly untouched by time. It is a land of stark beauty, where the wind howls across frozen plains and polar bears roam freely. But Wrangel holds a secret, a story of survival against all odds. It was here that the last woolly mammoths roamed the earth, thousands of years after their mainland cousins had vanished. These were not the colossal giants of the Ice Age. These mammoths were smaller, adapted to the unique challenges of their island home. How did they get here? And what can their story tell us about the resilience of life in the face of a changing world? Join me as we journey back in time to uncover the secrets of the Wrangel mammoths. Their tale is a poignant reminder of nature's power and fragility. It speaks to the delicate balance that sustains life and the challenges faced by creatures pushed to the edge. On Wrangel Island, we get a glimpse into a lost world, where mammoths grazed among wildflowers and the echoes of the last ice age still lingered in the air. Wrangel Island is a place of dramatic extremes. It is an island forged by ice and sculpted by wind. Winters are long and harsh, with temperatures plummeting to bone-chilling lows. The sun disappears for months, cloaking the island in perpetual darkness. Yet, life finds a way. Summers bring a burst of life. The sun blazes almost around the clock. The frozen ground thaws, revealing a carpet of wildflowers and grasses. Migratory birds arrive in their thousands, filling the air with their calls. This is the time of plenty, when the island comes alive with activity. Over millennia, Wrangel Island has undergone dramatic transformations. During the last ice age, it was connected to the mainland by a land bridge. This allowed mammoths and other animals to roam freely. As the ice receded, sea levels rose, cutting Wrangel off from the rest of the world. The island became a refuge, a sanctuary for those creatures fortunate enough to survive the rising waters. Isolated from the mainland, life on Wrangel evolved in its unique way. The story of the Wrangel mammoths is a testament to the power of adaptation in a changing world. The Wrangel mammoths were not the towering behemoths of the Ice Age. They were smaller, a consequence of a phenomenon known as island dwarfism. This is a common occurrence on islands where resources are limited and competition for food and space is fierce. Over generations, larger animals tend to shrink. This is because smaller individuals require less food and are better suited to navigating confined spaces. The Wrangel mammoths evolved to be about the size of a modern African elephant, significantly smaller than their mainland ancestors. Their smaller size would have given them an advantage in the harsh conditions of Wrangel Island. With limited vegetation, every blade of grass counted. Their reduced bulk would have allowed them to survive on a diet that could not sustain their larger counterparts. This adaptation highlights the remarkable plasticity of life. It showcases the ability of species to evolve and change in response to environmental pressures. The Wrangel mammoths are a living testament to the power of natural selection. Section 4. Journey to the island. The question of how mammoths reached this remote island outpost has intrigued scientists for decades. The most likely explanation lies in their ability to adapt to changing landscapes. During the last ice age, when sea levels were lower, a land bridge connected Siberia to Alaska. Mammoths, along with other large mammals, likely used this land bridge to migrate between continents. As the ice began to melt and sea levels rose, Wrangel Island became isolated. It is believed that a population of mammoths became stranded on the island, cut off from their mainland kin. Another theory suggests that mammoths may have reached Wrangel Island by swimming. While this may seem far-fetched, mammoths are known to have been strong swimmers. They possessed thick layers of blubber for insulation and could have potentially navigated the relatively short distance between the mainland and the island. However they arrived, the mammoths found themselves in a unique environment. Wrangel Island offered a refuge, a sanctuary from the pressures that were driving their mainland counterparts to extinction. But it was a precarious existence, one that would test their limits. Section 5. Lessons from the past. The story of the Wrangel mammoths is a poignant reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. It is a tale of adaptation, survival, and ultimately extinction. But it is also a story of hope, a testament to the enduring power of nature. The mammoths' ability to survive for thousands of years after their mainland cousins had vanished is a testament to their resilience. It shows that even in the face of environmental change, life finds a way. However, their eventual demise serves as a stark warning. Even the most adaptable creatures are vulnerable to the forces of nature. Climate change, habitat loss, and other human-induced pressures threaten the delicate balance of ecosystems worldwide. The fate of the Wrangel mammoths reminds us that we are not immune to these forces. The story of these remarkable creatures is a call to action. It is a reminder that we must strive to protect the natural world and the incredible diversity of life it sustains. By learning from the past, we can hope to create a future where both humanity and nature can thrive.